is the Subotech BG1527. In the box you get the instruction manual, you get a screwdriver, you also get a USB charger, the remote that requires a screwdriver to open it up, 2 AA's, on-off switch right here, but it does come in 2 colors. The one color is this army green and then this desert tan. Independent suspension on the front, and then you have a solid rear axle on the rear. Steering trim is right here. And then we get a 6-volt, 500 milliamp hour nickel cadmium battery included. So that is everything that comes in the box. I am curious as to if this is proportional or not. There should be enough battery in. Usually it has some kind of charge when you get it out of the box. But let's see here if it is proportional. It is not proportional. So let's go charge this. So the battery finally got done charging.
Yeah, and just a shade under a decade too. All right.
But now we are ready to run this RC. So we're gonna do a little pavement bash here. Shouldn't even really call it a bash, but we're gonna do a little pavement run here just to see what it has. I think it's probably gonna perform the best on the pavement. So here on the side is the on and off switch, which is kind of nice. I hate when it's on the bottom and then you do take it off road and rocks and stuff switch the switch off, but it is on the side. One nice thing there, on and off switch is on the back of the transmitter. It doesn't light up until you do something with it, either turning or the throttle. It's a little, whoa. Okay, so when you steer, wow, even if you just, oh, it is 2-wheel drive if I didn't mention that, but it's really hard to steer. So if you just give it a little bit, it gives it like almost all of it. Ready? Watch. Does have a nice turning radius though. It turns pretty sharp. It's hard to line yourself up so you can go straight because it just the slightest turn on the controller makes it turn pretty drastic. I don't know how this is even going to work on a trail. I was planning on taking it up on the trail. I'm really not trying to do this back and forth motion here. I'm just trying to hit the steering just ever so slightly. So, well, it's still turning, but it's a little straighter than what it was. Okay, let's try this trail. I'm gonna take it up and try this trail. All right, so we're back on the trail. Let's see if this thing is any better off-road than it is on-road.
was the BG1527 from Subotech. So you saw what it has, what it's about, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.